Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to WAEC CRS past question year 2019. Question number 8 says the Israelites asked Aaron to make gods for them because they dash A wanted a god to lead them back to Egypt. B felt God had neglected them due to their sins. C felt Moses had delayed on Mount Sinai. D were under severe attack by the Egyptians. So the correct option here is option C. This happened when Moses went to Mount Sinai to pray. So they concluded that they don't know what had happened to Moses. So they thought that maybe God might have killed Moses, or Moses must have met his water load on Mount Sinai. So they gathered together and went to Aaron, who happened to be the spokesperson to Moses at that time, to prepare them gods. And Aaron required that they should bring from their wives their joys, their good, and a lot of so. And that's what happened. And Aaron eventually did that. So we find this in the book of Exodus. We find this in the book of Exodus 32 verse 1.